Did you know there are certain foods you should never refrigerate? It might seem counterintuitive, but refrigeration isn't always the best way to keep your food fresh. Today, we're exploring 10 foods better off outside the fridge. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this gastronomic adventure. It might seem counterintuitive, but refrigeration isn't always the best way to keep your food fresh. Today, we're exploring 10 foods that are better off outside the fridge. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this gastronomic adventure. First on our list is tomatoes. These delicious fruits are often subjected to the chill of the fridge, but that's a big no-no. Refrigeration causes tomatoes to lose their flavor and become mealy. Opt instead for keeping them on your kitchen counter. Next up is honey. This natural sweetener is practically immortal, and refrigeration can cause it to crystallize and become grainy. A cool, dry pantry is the perfect place for your honey jar. Now, let's talk about bread. While refrigeration can extend the life of bread, it also robs it of its moisture, rendering it stale. Unless you plan on eating the entire loaf within a few days, consider freezing your bread instead. Fourth on our list is basil. This aromatic herb wilts in the cold and absorbs the smells of the foods around it. Keep your basil fresh by treating it like a bouquet of flowers, trim the stems and place it in a glass of water. Next, we have potatoes. The cold temperature of the fridge can actually turn the starch in potatoes into sugar more rapidly, which can affect their flavor and texture. Store your potatoes in a cool, dark place instead. The sixth food is garlic. When refrigerated, garlic can sprout and become moldy. Similar to potatoes, garlic is best stored in a cool, dark place. Onions make the seventh spot on our list. The moisture in the fridge can cause onions to become soft and moldy. Store them in a cool, dark place, but keep them separate from your potatoes as they can speed up each other's spoiling process. Next up is coffee. While some might argue that the fridge keeps it fresh, coffee actually absorbs the smells around it and can become moist. Keep your coffee in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. The ninth food is olive oil. When refrigerated, olive oil can condense and take on the consistency of butter. It's best to keep it in your pantry. Last but not least, we have avocados. If you want your avocados to ripen properly, keep them out of the fridge. Once ripe, you can put them in the fridge to extend their life. While refrigeration is a useful tool for preserving many food items, it's not always the best option. Tomatoes, honey, bread, basil, potatoes, garlic, onions, coffee, olive oil, and avocados are all better stored outside of the fridge. So, next time you're about to stash these items in the fridge, remember, sometimes cooler isn't always better. Hope this information was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this.